Chennai versus Mumbai, third IPL match start 23rd March 2025. Team playing 11. Mumbai team playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Will Jacks. Number 3 Tilak Verma. Number 4 Suryakumar Yadav. Number 5 Hardik Pandya. Number 6 Robin Mirj. Number 7 Michel Shatner. Number 8 Deepak Chahar. Number 9 A. Gulsafar. Number 10 Trent Bolt. Number 11 Jasprit Bumrah. Chennai team playing 11. Number 1 Rituraj Gaikwad. Number 2 Devon Conway. Number 3 Rahul Tripathi. Number 4 Deepak Hooda. Number 5 Shivam Dubey. Number 6 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 7 Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Number 8 Sam Curran. Number 9 Ravichandran Ashwin. Number 10 Nathan Ellis. Number 11 Matisha Patel.